Yeah, we're gonna start today trying to find out why is the bus smoking really crazy and knocking, some big knocking coming out inside injectors. That side special. Uh, Bang 1, bang 2, I'm trying to find out. So I removed the valve cover and checked it all the wire harness, everything passed, and the computer tested, so it's good to go, all wires. So kind of like sounding something broke under there. So this side same thing too. I removed it, the valve cover. I checked the turbocharge, make sure spinning and good boost there. So now we're gonna start running. Let's see it, how it's gonna sound and what exactly coming out there. Hopefully run good. Oh, I left the key there. So having too many problems for injector problem. So winter time, these engine 444 that has a lot of problems. I don't know if you can see it. Kind of like hard to start. I have to turn the glow plugs a couple times. It might start, it might not start, but hopefully start it. Yep, it's not starting. You can see a lot of smoke coming out. Hopefully the fire on. Let's see if I missed something. So my computer hooked it. All wires that side, steering wheel. Hope this started. Let's try a couple more times if it's gonna start or not. I just ether sometimes. My buddy used to ether, it's not here. I don't know if you guys can see there, injector flashlights, kind of hard to see it. Yeah! Finally start. I don't have no glasses, but that's sounding good. This to me was knocking like crazy. Very crazy knocking. Most of it was coming out. I don't know, even like when it gets hot or something like that. Let's go the other side. Now you can see my turbocharge spinning inside there. Crazy. outside, see what kind of smoke is coming out. Now we can see. Wow, that's crazy. That's a badass smoke. Can you see there? My God, that's not good. That's not good. Yeah. That is smoking like really crazy. Now the sound has changed. The whole engine vibrating. Something not sounding really good. Looks like we have a badass injector. Yep. So now you guys can see exactly what's going on there. So hopefully that knock's coming out from injectors. After I put 8 brand new injectors, hopefully it will run good.